A silent killer in cats. Did you know that cats can suffer from high blood pressure or hypertension, and that can lead to death? High blood pressure in cats can come from a couple of different causes. One of those can be chronic kidney disease. As they get older, this is a very common disease in senior cats. Another one is hyperthyroidism, or a dysfunction in the thyroid where it's overactive. This is also unfortunately pretty common in senior cats. It can also come from heart disease, or it can come from diabetes. And sometimes we do have it be considered primary, which means that is the primary thing that's going on. Now, unfortunately, this is called a silent killer because it often has no clinical signs. You may see some clinical signs like neurologic disorders where they're pressing their head into spaces or seeming like they're out of it. They may start to have seizures or tremor-like activities. Sometimes they can have like a stroke-like event. And then also we can see some other changes that could be related to underlying diseases like drinking more, peeing more, losing weight, appetite changes, things like that. And sometimes these guys just suddenly go blind, and that's our first sign. So just a PSA to anyone who has a cat over the age of 10, I always recommend asking your vet to check their blood pressure when they're at their vet appointments. It can be a little hard because a lot of times they don't like going in, so their blood pressure may be a little high, but it is worth trying to check because if it is over a certain number, then we know that that is not related to them being in the hospital setting or white coat syndrome, and it is truly a high blood pressure. So catching this early is how we're really going to help prevent this from causing them to potentially pass away or get organ failure that can lead to that. If you have any experiences with this, I am very sorry. I would love to be able to talk with you a little bit more about that in the comments. So please comment below and follow me for more important updates about your senior pets.